Hey guys, Brock Lewis over here at Huntington Beach Elks Lodge with Patriotic Customs. We're doing on-site laser engraving to see what we do as a vendor. So come on in. Yeah. Right on.